All around the world, people don't have access to toilets. Our mission was to figure out a solution to this problem. We decided to focus on drought-stricken African villages. Most villages are in poverty and cannot afford the sustainable resources for plumbing. These overcrowded villages obviously don't have access to water, and disease easily spreads with fecal matter all around. Clean water would be considered a rarity because people do their business in streams and ponds. So how do you make a toilet with no running water? Along with that, disease spreads through fecal matter. Because of this, children are dying. So far, 1.4 million have died from the sanitation problems caused by this.
Engineers luckily have come up with a possible solution. There's now a way to have a working toilet with no plumbing. Normal toilets would require a lot of water and money to operate. These communities simply don't have enough resources or money for this. What our engineers have done is they have found a way to use solar energy to power a filter that would turn fecal matter into fertilizer or compost. That means people can now go number 2 without worrying about sanitation or wasting resources. People would basically enter a stall, and when they did their business, the fecal matter would make its way down into a filter. This filter will separate different pathogens, parasites, and other harmful things out of the fecal matter that could damage the crop you're using the compost to fertilize. You then take this recently cleaned and filtered manure and use it like you would any other fertilizer. You fertilize your crops with it. This can help nurture the plants and give them the nutrients they need for optimal growth. This, in turn, will supply the village with bigger, better, and healthier quantities of food that they can eat, cook with, feed their cattle, or whatever else they really want to do with it. However, this surplus of food will make everyone happier and hopefully keep everyone from having the urge to splurge in rivers and lakes.